Before we continue with the rest of the video, we could use your help. Click the like button to help spread word about Watchjojo animals, and also be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. A couple gave this stray cat a home, but then found out she was hiding a secret. When a cat turned up on one couple's doorstep, they couldn't turn her away. Instead, they welcomed her into their home with open arms. Little did they know, however, that their new feline friend was harbouring a big secret. People often say that unlike dogs, cats choose their owners, and that's exactly what one kitty named Whiskey did when she chanced upon a couple of humans. The couple were caring, and as a result, the cat decided that she'd stick around and make a place to call home. It's not known where Whiskey came from. Indeed, she may have been a stray or could have possibly left her previous owner's home. Whatever her background, though, the cat had clearly decided that she could rely on her new humans for the resources that she needs to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. And her new owners discovered that being comfortable would soon be of the utmost importance to Whiskey. And after looking after the cat for 2 weeks, the couple decided that it was probably best to have her looked over. So they called a local vet, who discovered that the cat was only 5 months old. That wasn't the only revelation that the veterinarian had in store, however. It turned out that little Whiskey was hiding a very big secret. That's because while still a kitten herself, the cat was expecting a litter of babies. In short, she was pregnant. Kittens don't usually become sexually mature until they are at least 6 months old. Whiskey was going to be a young mum by anyone's standards. Then, and as a result, she would need all the support that she could get her little paws on. Luckily for her, though, Whiskey's newly acquired owners were happy to stick out her pregnancy with her. My wife and I talked about it, and we were willing to keep Whiskey regardless of her situation, one of them subsequently explained on Imgur. We made a place for her to give birth, and we waited. In the meantime, the kind-hearted couple no doubt prepared themselves for what they had in store. On average, cat pregnancies can last from 63 to 67 days, although they can be even shorter. Whiskey's new owners then didn't have very long to get their affairs in order. The most important thing for the caring couple was to ensure that the cat had a healthy diet. As Whiskey's pregnancy progressed, she would require extra calories. After all, she was now eating for a litter of growing kittens as well as herself. Towards the end of the cat's pregnancy, owners are encouraged to make a shelter where she can give birth and care for her kittens. And Whiskey's owners were quick to attend to this requirement. Yes, thanks to the caring couple, the cat bore 5 healthy kittens that have each found loving homes of their own. So there was a happy ending all around. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends below. Please do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive everything that is new.